Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by wetting your hands with comfortably warm water, then apply 1 to 2 pumps of liquid soap. Lather actively for at least 20 seconds. Focus first on the broad strokes, palms and backs, so the soap begins to dissolve oils and surface dirt. Use your fingertips to dislodge grime under nails and in creases. Once done, rinse thoroughly to carry away loosened particles. Make sure to keep motions brisk, but gentle to avoid irritation while maximizing cleaning action. Next, move into deeper cleaning. Take a soft brush or cloth and work along nail beds, knuckles, and other textured areas where residues hide. If skin tolerates it, use a mild scrub or paste no more than once per week to remove dead cells and persistent buildup. This increases future cleanliness and product absorption. Rinse and inspect carefully. If you still feel grit, repeat targeted scrubbing briefly. Make sure to keep strokes controlled so you don't abrade the skin. Finish by patting your hands dry with a clean towel. Avoid rubbing, which can irritate skin. While hands are slightly damp, apply a fragrance-free moisturizer to restore barrier lipids and prevent cracking. This keeps skin supple and helps maintain cleanliness. If you notice redness, burning, or persistent dryness, stop any new products and apply a cool compress to reduce inflammation. If symptoms persist or worsen, consult a clinician. One troubleshooting tip: switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.